Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TT Logic, and in this video we are going to solve a nice algebraic problem. And here we have to solve a nice problem which is a plus b is equal to 10 and ab is equal to 24. And so here this is first equation and this is second equation. So in the first we can be written as first equation is a plus b is equal to 10, and here this b is here and is equal to 10, and this plus a is moved here is minus a, and so second equation ab is equal to 24 we can be written as ab is equal to 24. And now here this a, and here we put the value of b is, and b the value is b is equal to 10 minus a, and here we put 10 minus a is equal to 24. And now here we multiply them. This 10 multiply a is 10a minus a multiply a is a square and is equal to 24. And now here this minus a square is moved here minus a square, and plus this 10a, and then this plus 24 is can be written as minus 24 and is equal to 0. And now here we divided by this equation with minus 1. So this minus 1 divided by minus a square is a square, and my plus 10a divided by minus 1 is minus 10a, and minus 24 is minus 1 divided is plus 24 and is equal to 0. So here in the next step is this a square minus, and now here this 10a can be written as minus 6a minus 4a, and minus minus plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 10a, and then plus 24 and is equal to 0. And now here we make pairs, and so this pair a square minus 6a, and we can be written as common this a, we take common this a and can be written as out of bracket, and this a divided by this a is a minus, and this a divided by 6a is 6, and then minus, here we take common this 4 and out of bracket, and this 4 divided by this 4 and is equal to a, and this minus plus minus this 4 divided by 24 is 6 and is equal to 0. And now here we make two equations. First is this a minus 6 and a minus 6 same as, so we can be written as a minus 6. And now the second is this a and this minus 4 and is equal to 0. And now here in the next step is this a minus 6 is equal to 0, and this a minus 4 is equal to 0. So here this a is here and is equal to this minus 6 moved is 6, and so here we put the value of b, and b is equal to 10 minus a, and so here we put the value of b is equal to 10 minus A. And now this B is equal to 10 and A the value is this 6. So here we put this A value is minus 6, and now B is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So here it is the value of B. And here in the next step is this A is equal to, and minus 4 is here 4. So we can be written as the value of B, and B is equal to 10 minus A. And now B is equal to 10 and minus A the value is this 4. We put them, so B is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. And now here in the second value of B, and here in the first value of A. So the first value of A and the first value of B is equal to 6 and 4, and now second value of A and second value of B is equal to 4 and 6, 4 comma 6. So here it is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.